In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh an Excel sheet automatically. Maybe you're working with data that's constantly changing, like reports, dashboards, or information pulled from external sources. Instead of manually clicking the refresh button over and over, you can let Excel handle that for you in the background. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key settings you need to adjust so that your workbook keeps itself up to date with as little effort as possible. First, open the Excel workbook that contains the data you want to refresh automatically. This usually applies to workbooks connected to external data sources, such as databases, web queries, Power Query connections, or pivot tables. Make sure your data is already loaded into Excel and that it refreshes correctly when you use the regular refresh command. This is important because automatic refresh simply repeats that same process on a schedule or at specific events. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. Look for the section labeled Queries and Connections, or Connections, depending on your version. Here, you'll see the list of data connections that feed into your workbook. These might be queries, links to external files, or connections to online services. Choose the connection or query you want to refresh automatically. Then, open its properties. In most versions of Excel, you can do this by right-clicking the connection name and selecting Properties, or by selecting it and clicking Properties in the ribbon. Inside the Connection Properties or Query Properties window, look for the Refresh Control options. This is where the automation happens. You'll see settings like Refresh Every, followed by a number of minutes, and Refresh Data when opening the file. If you want your data to update on a timer, check the option to refresh every set number of minutes, and choose an interval that makes sense for your scenario. For example, you might set it to refresh every 5, 10, or 30 minutes depending on how often your source changes and how heavy the refresh is. If your main concern is keeping data fresh when you first open the file, enable the option to refresh data when opening the workbook. This ensures that every time you start working, you're looking at the latest information. Once you've chosen your settings, confirm and close the Properties window. Save your workbook so Excel remembers these preferences. From now on, as long as the file is open and you have access to the data source, Excel will automatically refresh according to the rules you just set, keeping your sheet consistently up to date without constant manual work.